Hello love bugs, welcome back to my channel. This is Keisha Reese, and as you can see from the title, we are going to be customizing our own press-on nails today. So these are some of the things that you will need, well, mainly all, and just nails, glitter, buffer, and gems. So these are the nails, and I did get them from Walmart. I think they were like $7.97. These are the glue tabs that come with them, but I will not be using those because they just serve absolutely no purpose. But I will be using the nail file and the buffer. Okay, so I'm going to take the nails, the ones that I want to put design on, and I'm just showing you that it's matte right there. Okay, and I am going to buff those nails that I'm going to be using any type of design on. I do want a rough surface so that it will stick better. So you can see I kind of scuffed it up a little bit, and I'll choose random ones, and later on in the video you'll get to see. I'm just showing you the ones I did do, but you'll get to see I ended up choosing more to do than originally just the two from each hand. Now I already have them picked out and fitted, so I have the left on top and the right on the bottom. So I'm going to take two different glitters to do this, and I am going to start with the top gel, and I'm going to use a base gel. Okay, now you can use regular clear polish for this, just the wait time for it to dry will be much longer, but those are the Walmart gems right there. And I'm going to use some nail glue, and a lot of this is not in frame like I originally thought, but that's okay. So here is one of the nails we're starting off with. So I'm just taking that base coat and I'm painting over that nail. I was trying to keep my fingers out of it, but of course that cannot be done, so yeah. Hey fingers. So you can kind of see the tip of the other nail, but yeah, I was doing two nails at once, and you know, of course I was just kind of going along with this as I was doing it. I didn't really have a plan. I just knew I wanted to customize some nails. I really didn't want just plain nails this time. They didn't have anything that I liked, so I said, you know what, I'll just do some myself. Okay, so I put it under the UV light, but I only did that for a few seconds, only because I realized that I could have just went ahead and put the glitter on and let it dry with the base coat. So I took it back out, and it's not fully dry, but I am going to go back in and I'm going to put that base coat back on, back over the whole nail. I'm doing both. Can't see the other one, but yeah. So now I'm just going to take my glitter and I'm just going to let it sprinkle over the nail while it's wet, of course, no particular way, and just to my liking. There we go. And then I'm going to put them under the light to let them cure for like 30 to 60 seconds. So just push both and turn the light on. Boop. There you go. Oh, that glitter is so pretty. Okay, so now we have the nail back out, and we're going to take that top coat. And so we're going to cover the nails in that top coat. We're painting that one over there. Let's see. At any point, we'll start on this one over here. Ooh, there we go. Yay. So I just really wanted to cover the nail. It's very thick, but I wanted to cover the nail to make sure that I got all of the glitter. I wanted a smooth, of course, the hard surface. I wanted to make sure that none of the glitter flaked off or anything once I was done with this. So I made sure I just took my time and covered the entire nail. Okay, so once I got done with that, I'm going to go in with that other glitter. But beforehand, I'm going to show you the nails. There's one. Ooh, how pretty is that? I'll show you the other one. Oh, yeah. Girlfriend, that is everything. Okay. So we'll just take that green, and I'm just going to take an old paintbrush, and I'm just going to tap it over the nail. I don't know if you can see it falling, but I really didn't want to do too much because I didn't want it to take over, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just kind of lightly tapped it till I seen what I wanted, and that was the end of that. And of course, this nail is still wet. Gonna give you a 3D effect. So then that's when we're gonna take our light. See, it didn't look like it was much, huh? Yeah. So now that we're done, I'm just showing you the nail, and I'm tapping it to show you that it's hard, it's done, it's not gonna come off. And then we're gonna take another nail, and those are some little gems that I already had, the stick kind, the sticky kind. And I'm just gonna take some super glue and put it in the middle of a nail and put that gem on. Gosh, I hate you can't see this. Maybe it'll come into frame in just a second. Okay, here we are, a little bit. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, and I just put the top coat over that and let it dry. And here is the top set. And as you can see, that nail on the end, I used 3 gems and a few flakes of glitter. And then I went ahead and did the bottom set off camera. And this is a full set, girlfriend. Yes, honey. I love this. It looks so pretty. So that's just the nails that are left over, so you can create another set to your liking. And yes, honey, here's the DIY custom press-on nails. How pretty are those? Yes, ma'am, honey, they are everything. I love glitter, gems, bling, color, and this is after I have applied them. Girl, I don't know how to do my fingers, but yeah, I'm in love with this set. It's just so pretty. It did not take any time really to do this. But yeah, girl, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.